guys, Melanie with Lawson Adventure Park and Resort here. I wanted to take a minute and first of all say that I hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy as we're all going through this COVID-19 thing together. I also wanted to kind of let you guys know what we are doing as a company to help provide a place that is safe, or as safe as possible and as clean as possible for any of the people that are still doing essential travel, or any of our essential workers that are working on construction on the roads, on I-70 just down the way, or anyone else that needs somewhere that they can stay as they're doing their essential travel. So as a company, we have developed something that we call the Clean Lodging Program. That includes making sure that all of our cleaning supplies are CDC, or in compliance with CDC recommendations. We also make sure that after each of our guests check out, that we leave the unit for 24 hours before our cleaning crew goes in there as much as possible. So with that 24 hours, that actually gives time for any germs that are in the lodging to die off as much as possible before we go in there with, like I said, our CDC approved cleaning supplies. We're doing additional sanitation for all of the commonly touched places like light switches and remotes and door handles and anything like that. We're doing an additional cleaning of those. We've also closed our main lodge and opted for a no contact check-in. What this means is that we get you set up your day of check-in with a self check-in. So you don't have to come into contact with any of our staff to help with that social distancing and creating an area where, like I said, you don't need to come into contact with anyone that you don't know. All of our units, I'm in one of our tiny home cabins right now. This is Iron Horse. All of our units are separate, so there's no central air system where you have to worry about someone else's germs coming from their unit into yours. All of our units are separate. They are also at least 10 feet apart. I was on a tour of our tiny home, this one. So like I said, we're in Iron Horse right now. So you have your own porch with a grill on it and a beautiful view of the mountains. So that's kind of our main area there. And you can see out onto the mountains. You have deck chairs and everything for you to hang out on your deck, enjoy some of the beautiful outdoors. This is our living room with our pull-out couch. This is a sofa bed, so it pulls out. All of the sheets are inside of it so that additional guests can have that place to sleep. All of our units have 2 flat screen TVs, one in the living room and one in the bedroom. Full kitchen, so you can go shopping for your supplies, come here, and you don't have to worry about leaving for getting food or anything like that. Everything you need for the kitchen is in here. All of the pots and pans and dishes. We don't provide any of the food stuff like seasonings or oil, so that is something that you have to provide yourself. And then back here, you get into our bathroom. We provide all of the linens, all of the towels that you need. And then back into our bedroom. This is our 1-bedroom cabin, so it has the queen bed, and then like I mentioned, it has the second flat screen TV in here as well. So that's kind of what we are doing. I hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy. And if you are doing essential travel, we do have a place here where you can feel as safe and know that we are doing everything we can to make these tiny homes as clean as possible. So we hope that you guys are doing everything that you need to do. But if you do need essential travel, we have a place for you. So stay safe. You can visit our website at lawsonadventurepark.com to learn a little bit more about what we are doing, or book with us, or you can call us at 855-372-7238. Thanks guys, and we hope that you are staying safe.